Hey everybody, Spidey Librarian here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Google account right now. A Google account is the key to getting access to a number of Google products and services, such as Gmail, the Google Play Store, Calendar, Photos, and of course, YouTube. Quick disclaimer, you don't need a Google account to watch YouTube, but you do need a YouTube account to like videos, create playlists, and generally customize YouTube to your preferences. You need a Google account in order to create a YouTube account, and, if you want one, a YouTube channel. Before we get started, I'll be creating more informational and entertainment content, so if you're enjoying what I'm doing, consider subscribing. And back to it. Fortunately, setting up a Google account is easy. 3 simple words. Create Google account. On a desktop or laptop computer, simply do a search for Create Google Account and click the link that says Create Your Google Account. We're going to go to Create Google Account. It should be the first link in the results list. The account creation page requires 4 pieces of information: your first name, a last name, a user ID, and a password. And as you can see, sometimes you can't get the username that you type in. That means someone else has already claimed it. So what you can do is you can choose one of the choices that Google provides for you, or you can attempt to make up another name for yourself. This one is Samuel Space, and I meant to go with Samuel Spade. That is taken as well. Let's try Samuel Spade 8 instead of Spade Samuel. That one is taken as well. We can do Samuel Spade 92, so that's what we're going to do. The final piece of information you need to put in is a password, which Google requires you to confirm. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a password that it should accept. Google will not let you put in weak passwords. They will try to correct you if you put in the word password or 12345, and they will make you choose a password that is at least 8 characters long and has a mix of letters and numbers. And if you put any of those letters or numbers in too familiar a configuration, it may still make you create a different password. Be sure to write down, memorize, or put your password into a good password manager. Knowing your password is critical to keeping your account protected and secure. You can have your browser memorize your password, but that is not without risks. It's better to either memorize it, write it down, or, best bet, go with a good password manager like LastPass or Bitwarden. Once you provide your first name, last name, username, and confirm your password, Google will bring you to a welcome page. This page will list the email address associated with your Google account. If it's a Gmail address, your account user ID will be the address prefix, the part before @gmail.com. Here, they will ask you for more information: a phone number, which is optional, a recovery email address, which is also optional, although recommended, your birthday, and your gender. You are required to fill out the birthday and gender fields, though Google will accept the information you provide regardless of what you enter. And for gender, again, you have options. You can say male, you can say female, you can do rather not say, and you can do custom. So whatever you end up going by, Google is attempting to give you options, and I think that's a good thing. Once you provide this information, I'll go ahead and just identify myself as male. Google will then take you to a privacy and terms page, which you must agree to in order for your account to be finalized. And then once you agree, congratulations, you've created your Google account. Google will be able to use this information to grant you access to other services like YouTube, the Google Play Store, and Google Drive. Make sure you have access to your user ID and password for future sessions. Having a Google account is the backbone for many useful services under the Google brand, and is a near necessity for Android phone users. With a Google account now in your back pocket, you'll have the means to take your first steps into a much larger digital world. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, one of the best ways to support me would be to just thwip on the like button. It shows me that you enjoy this kind of content and would like to see more of it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.